Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find BNB address on Binance. First of all, open the Binance application. After logging in, you are going to see a deposit tab or add funds tab in the top right corner. Just simply tap on it, and after that you need to tap on deposit crypto. Once you're done, you will be landed over here where you are going to see all of the tokens and coins that you can purchase on Binance. Now among these, you will have to search for BNB, and then it will ask you to choose BNB network. So over here among the given options, you will have to tap on this BNB smart chain, which is BP20, and then you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address of BNB. So you can use this deposit address and you can deposit BNB from any other exchange or wallet to Binance. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel.